Hey everyone, so this is just a quick update on some of the newer handmade product that we get in Vietnam. We go there and hand pick everything ourselves through the smaller families. Yeah, so here's some of the baskets we got here. These guys are some of the handkerchief baskets here. So they got a lid and everything. Two different styles on these that we got up here, just the two different material. Some of the more round baskets, that one's got a bit of a different detail on the top. As for the bottom ones are more just a plain circle. These ones are kind of neat. I like the weaving on these ones here. Some more square baskets. These ones we use for, some of these bowls we use for picking up all our fruits and vegetables outside in the summertime. A couple of just like your basic picnic baskets here. And I've got a couple different styles of these elephant laundry baskets as well. It's pretty cool. Get the lid on the top. And then we got a couple of the rugs. These we have just this style, and then we have one that's just a plain, both circular. And going down to the bottom, we got a couple more, just the baskets with the handles on the side. And going down this side, these are more like the bigger baskets. So at the back there, got more of the rectangular shape carpets, and then the far end we got more of the like the circular ones, kind of like that style there. And then more of the plain kind of see-through baskets. We got these in circular and square. The square is just two different smaller sizes. Again, more baskets on the side. These nice little cups, you can use them for your pencils or anything you want to store in them. More of the silk scarves that we brought in from Vietnam. And then again, these are some of the food. I guess you can use them for food or anything else you want to separate. Got a couple of the nicer big clay pots there. A few different designs. Tree on the bottom, leaf on the top, and then we got the shell ones on the other end. Some corals. And then again, a bunch of these stools. So we got these in a couple different sizes. Pretty neat stools. Again, more of the elephant baskets. A lot of the purses, hand-painted purses. And then, again, just more of the circular, kind of shallow trays, which are pretty nice. And again, more of the picnic baskets there. And underneath, we got some of the food lids. A couple different sizes of those as well. So yeah, we'll be getting more product coming up soon. More handmade product coming in the spring. And more of the smaller purses, which are pretty popular out here. We get more of those in. And on this end is just the more kind of regular baskets, I guess. Hope you liked the video.